2025 was a great year to you, like you said. So tell me, if you could forgive yourself for one bad thing that you did to yourself in 2025, what would it be?
The bad thing that when you say in May, during May I was finishing, I'm graduating standard advanced level. I was went to JKT depot. So when I went there, I escaped from depot. Okay. Because depot, the first day I reached there, I stayed for only 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I was run away. So it was a bad thing because my father, my mother was harassing me about that thing.
So did you go back to the depot thing, or you just stayed at home forever?
I stayed home.
They didn't catch you?
No, because in depot they have rules and principle.
Okay.
If you escape, they give you 2 weeks. If you don't return back,
it's over.
It is over.
Okay, you're a hero, you know that.
No.
Because I heard that most people cannot escape within a certain perimeter. Like you can't go 2 kilometers outside, they'll catch you. But you did go after 2 kilometers, and then beyond, you went back home.
No, you know.
Are you sure you really want to post this? Okay, Mr. Bonaventure, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
You don't?
Yes.
Oh, single?
I'm single.
Virgin?
No.